The camera lens filter kit you mentioned, which includes MCUV, CPL, ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, ND256, and North Dakota PL filters, is a great choice for the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. The different filters can be used to achieve a variety of effects, including MCUV filter. This filter reduces haze and glare, which can be especially helpful when shooting outdoors on sunny days. CPL filter. This filter polarizes light, which can help to reduce reflections and enhance colors. North Dakota filters. These filters reduce the amount of light that enters the lens, which can be useful for shooting in bright conditions, or for creating long exposure effects. The different North Dakota filters in the kit allow you to reduce the light by varying amounts, from 2 stops to 8 stops. North Dakota PL filters. These filters combine the effects of North Dakota and CPL filters, which can be useful for shooting in bright conditions, with a lot of reflections. The kit also includes a carrying case for easy storage and transport. Here are some tips for using the different filters in the kit. MCUV filter. This filter can be used for all types of photography, but it is especially useful for landscape and outdoor photography. CPL filter. This filter can be used for all types of photography, but it is especially useful for landscape and outdoor photography, as well as for shooting through glass or water. North Dakota filters. North Dakota filters can be used for all types of photography, but they are especially useful for landscape and outdoor photography, as well as for creating long exposure effects. For example, you can use a North Dakota filter to shoot waterfalls or other moving water subjects with a smooth, silky effect. North Dakota PL filters. North Dakota PL filters can be used for all types of photography, but they are especially useful for landscape and outdoor photography in bright conditions, with a lot of reflections. Overall, the camera lens filter kit you mentioned is a great way to expand the creative possibilities of your DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. With the different filters in the kit, you can achieve a variety of effects